Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on Young Studio 4D. Today I want to show you the cool new feature on Samsung One UI, bro. It's beautiful. This is the Android 9 1Q8, a mini cool feature on this phone with you. Get ready. What is this? This is my beautiful Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Yes, as you see, it's Note 8 with two beautiful camera. Yeah, okay. One UI is installed on this beautiful phone. Now, as you see, is power off. Okay, let's hold power on and let's see this. Welcome, bro. We start with you right now. If you are not subscribed to the active notification and get ready. You can click on like also. Cool new feature, cool Samsung Galaxy One, Samsung One UI feature. Wow, look at this. What the shock. Look on our screen. Double click. The first feature that I like on this beautiful One UI is this. The new always on display is so great, but when you activate this always on display, don't empty your battery because when your phone is locked, it don't appear here. This is a cool beautiful things that I like on this new Android 9 or Samsung One UI. Second, when I do this, double touch, this always on display appear, and this is so great. And on your screen, as you see, many beautiful things here. You can unlock your phone with a password because you are boot your phone. Let me to put my password right now, and we go. Wonderful. Yes, the new cool things I like on this new Samsung One UI or Android 9 is this beautiful icons. This icons is so nice. What do you think, bro? It's so nice. It's so great. And look at under the new navigation bar of this beautiful One UI is unbelievable. Wow, this is version 1 of One UI and it's so great and so nice. I like this. If you want to activate this, you need simply to come here, and here also is very nice. This is the things that I like. I like these things. I like this beautiful new panel. Wow, this panel is innovation for me. And to activate this bar under, you can go on navigation bar. You can modify. Whoa, wonderful! It's cool. This is a cool feature. What else? Full screen gesture. I like this, bro. Wow, you can click on that and it's done. And the beautiful new feature that I like on One UI is also the Dolby Atmos. The Dolby Atmos increase the powerful of my beautiful speaker for my Samsung Galaxy Note 8 as you see is unbelievable. This is so great and I like this. And you can also see many things here, beautiful things. You can access directly to your beautiful settings. And your beautiful settings is also great. It's so beautiful, bro. What the shock. Look at all of this. It's so nice, bro. It's so wonderful. It's so beautiful, friends. This is a cool Samsung One UI features. Look at. Wow. It's so nice. About phone, many information about your phone here. What is this sort of information? As you see, One UI Android 9 is here. Open this. Woo! So great, bro. So nice. And I like also this. Look at. I like also this. What the shock. This feature is unbelievable. I like this, bro. I like this. I like all of this. And it's not all, bro. It's not all. Look at this. When you do this, you can access directly to your Windows. This is a new Windows of One UI. I like this new Windows of One UI or Android 9. It's so beautiful, so practical, and is almost the same with iOS 12 from Apple. And as you see, I can do this to delete this Windows, or do this to increase my Windows, and it's unbelievable. When you can also do this, please come here, do this to close, do the same action, hold, continue to hold, let's go, and to, whoa, look at this, it's so beautiful, it's so great, and for me, this is not bad for you. And when you go on settings, you can see display, and under you can see navigation bar. Navigation bar, you can also change the position of your beautiful navigation bar. Wow, autofocus, get ready, look at, bro, wonderful, so beautiful. You can change, look at the different navigation bar, unbelievable. You can change the position, look at here, this is menu. When you do this, menu come here. It's not bad, it's good. This is a cool new feature on this phone and this new Android. I like this, bro. My choice is this. I like this, and I want also to hidden my beautiful gesture. And look at under the message. Switch up and hold to open the device assistance application. Do this, bro. What is this? Thank you. Go back. Thank you. Go back. Okay. When you come on your home, you can see it's so wonderful. And the new feature that I like on this Samsung One UI is this camera. The new camera is so practical, is so cool, is so good, and the feature is also as the rear camera, as a camera, Sony camera, and another. You can directly here activate full screen or this size of your videos with this resolution of your videos. You can also change and activate many effects into the effect that you can also download. Look at it. Whoa, memory effect for your videos, the same effect for your pictures. You can choose what you want to do. What you want, bro, is so nice. And you can also see this. What? Open my photo, bro. Wonderful. Come here. This is me, bro. I'm so happy for you. Subscribe and like this video because you are so beautiful. As you see, this is great. And it's unbelievable also. Look at this emojis because it's so beautiful, bro. Look at. This is great features. This is cool features. It's unbelievable feature that you can find on One UI. Yes, Samsung Android 9.0 is not bad. It's cool. Look at this. Explosion. I like this. Ooh, my emojis. I like you, bro. I like you. I love you. Thank you. Yes, as you see, when you turn your phone, bro, beautiful. Your phone turn with you, bro. Your phone turn, and This is so great. This is so great. This is a cool thing that you can find on Samsung One UI. And look at this. Wow. You can turn. You turn. Turn. Please turn, please. What's wrong with you? Turn, because my subscriber is so big today. Look at this. I like all of this. I like all of this, and I think that it's so grateful, beautiful, and so great. If you like the video, subscribe and get ready for more videos on my channel, Nyank Studio 4D. You can go on YouTube or under this video, enter Nyank Studio 4D. Look at, do this, and you can subscribe to help me to obtain 1,000 subscribers, bro, because you are so beautiful. I need 1,000 subscribers. Yes, look at this. Ooh, as you see, it's so great. This is my channel for you. You can also subscribe here and here for more videos, which is my boss YouTube channel for me. Subscribe also now. You can watch my live video. And if you want to see how to install this beautiful ROM on a Samsung Galaxy Note 8, you can watch the video that I have made, okay, to show you. This is install One UI version 2. This is version 2. You can watch this video and the end of this video. Thank you for watching. This is a cool features that you can see, and you can also see under you can see what you can see applications that you can open as Instagram. Woo! Hello, what is this, bro? Look at this. Wow, it's so nice. What do you think? I think that is so great and it's so beautiful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and get ready for more videos on our YouTube channel. This is me. This is my face. Thank you. Subscribe today for last video. God bless you. Wow, many beautiful features for you. And it's not all. They are beautiful head panel. You know this. They are also a beautiful lock screen. No. Power off. Look at the new bar of icons. It's so great. Ooh, it's so nice. Wow, I love this. Okay, I think that there are another feature that you can discover it. When you open a game, open the game right now, bro. When you open a game, for example, beach building. Okay, wonderful. Volume. You can see the volume. Look at the volume bar. Is blue and it's great. And you can do this to access to your game tools directly here. Do this, and this is the new feature on this beautiful game tools. You can click on settings to make some modification. And you can play your game directly, and this is so great also. There are many games. Ooh, you can click on close all to close all your windows, and there are messages. There are also a beautiful calendar. There are also turn on, please. There are also a beautiful weather. What do you think? So nice, bro. So nice. And when you see, there are no navigation bar. This navigation bar is hidden, almost hidden in under, and this is great, bro. It's so great. Wow, I like this. What is this? Do this. Oh, it's done. Look at my notification, and look at here, the border of my notification. That is also cool things that I like on This beautiful Samsung One UI 8 or Android 9 is so beautiful. You can do this, and you can directly do this. Look at the size of my panels. Wow! Increase the brightness or decrease. So nice. Thank you for watching. Subscribe today for more videos. I like you so all. God bless you. Don't forget to share also the video and click on like. Activate notification after subscribing. Let's go for the next video. Wow, so nice. I like this. Lock screen, beautiful. Double click, always on display. Are you ready? Take care. Subscribe today, and you can do this to access directly to your beautiful one panel notification bar. Beautiful things. Very like step. Wonderful. Erase scanner, beautiful. Woo! I like all of this. Thank you for watching. Subscribe today for more videos. Let's go. Ooh, look at my performance. What today? What a run!